don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is a situation.
You wait for me.
Hold mommy. Ito si 30 po yun.
Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Please sit back and relax as we
Birthday
explain
girl.
the safety features.
Can't no one touch this girl too smooth. For one time, I could tell it all stars. It ain't there, yeah, keep it.
This is your second time riding airplane, ate.
Go find their house. Go find it.
Go find your house. Go.
Antok. Stop, Mr. Aaron. Antok naman ang bata.
So sabi, sa kaya pupunta sila? Di pa naman nung nakakapag-intro.
Yung itsura. Look at the clouds, oh.
Wow!
Two stars on the floor tonight.
Happy? You hold mommy. If you're scared, you hold mommy's hand. Happy siya.
Even me no conversation. The way you moving is a situation.
Dol-dol. Ano yan?
Yung ang hirap panindigan ng no screen time.
Ito na nga siya.
Sasampal pa yung boses. Ano ba naman itong pantay na to?
Kailangan niya sa buhay, no? Para tabigas yung ulo mo, 30. Ha? Oh?
Dance. Wow! I wanna see your dance move.
Oh, dance again.
1, 2, 3, go! This is Nisha's first time riding
Siya ka niyan.
train. And si 30. Asan si 30? 30!
Daddy.
30! Let's go. Here.
Hindi mo siya. Wow. Wow, we're here. Now, let's go. Exit from the train. Let's go. Wow.
Meanwhile,
Guys, naliligaw. Nag-aaway na kami. Paano naman? Nag-book ng hotel. Walang airport pick-up.
Meron nga.
Meron daw. Pero di alam kung saan. Palpak agad, palpak.
Wala kang naambag kahit isa.
Nagtutuloy.
Balik ka Shopee.
Aray ko.
Bad trip na naman si
Bad trip na naman siya, guys.
Kakaupo ko lang na maayos eh. Tatayo na naman tayo. We're here at the hotel na.
Check in. Yeah. Trolley. Oh, let's go inside the car.
Yung nag-room tour ka pero may panggulo. Yes. So for today's video, nasa Hong Kong tayo. Yes po, dahil ang aking first baby is turning 7 na tomorrow. And pinili niya po ang Disneyland. Ayaw niya ng birthday party kasi hindi niya ma-enjoy yun. Sure din naman kami ng daddy niya. Right,
Yes.
Dad?
Galing na kami sa birthday party last year, so...
Oo. And hindi niya na-enjoy yon, hindi siya nakipag-play sa ibang kids.
Para lang siyang nag-kid zone na.
Oo, parang typical na naglaro lang siya ng saglit ng 3 hours, ganun. So hindi niya na-enjoy talaga yung birthday party niya. May video naman ako na pinapili ko siya kung...
Ay, nasa akin pa yun. Ewan ko kung ano.
Sana hindi mo pa din
Delete ko na.
Pinapili ko siya sa paper kasi alam niyo naman si Nisha, verbal naman si Nisha, but confused siya lagi sa answer niya. So, pinapili ko siya sa bond paper, pinagpaprint ako kung Gabby's Dollhouse birthday party or cable car, ride airplane. Ang pinili niya yung cable car, ride airplane, and Disneyland. So, kaya andito kami ngayon sa
Ocean
Hong
Park?
Kong. Nga yung mga pinili niya. So, andito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong kasi isa-celebrate namin ang birthday ni Nisha tomorrow. So, this is the first day of our trip.
Pagod na agad.
Pagod na agad kasi wala pa kami siya ng tulog dahil
First time
dalawang
namin
bata.
mag-travel as
Family! Yes! So ngayon, day 1 namin sa Hong Kong and punta na kaagad kami sa cable car para ma-enjoy namin kasi meron lang kaming 4 days and 3 nights dito sa Hong Kong dahil may pasok si Nisha, kailangan namin masulit. So bago tayo pumunta sa cable car, panoorin nyo muna ang birthday shoot ng aking dalaga. So panoorin nyo na ang photoshoot ng aking dalagang anak. Oh my God! Feeling ko maiiyak ako bukas na. Wala, kasi ang bilis. Sobrang bilis. Kung pwede lang itigil yung oras.
Ang bilis na bilis naman yung mga bata, guys.
Oo, nakakaiyak. Mag-iisang taon na si 30, tapos siya mag-7 na
Time
bukas.
flies talaga, guys.
Oo, kaya
Yeah.
sobrang importante
Ngayon,
talaga na i-banding at igalan nyo ang mga kids.
Hindi lang mga kids, ang buong
Pamilya. Tama.
Spend time with family,
So ngayon, mag-aayos
memories.
lang kami ng gamit. And mag-aayos lang ako ng konti kasi yung itsura ko talaga is...
Ako ready na to, pwede na to.
Mag-ayos, pwede ba maglagay lang ako lipstick tsaka blush on for picture and video? Kasi mag-OOTD match tayo with family no? Update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Yung isa tulog na. At yung isa sobrang daming energy. Tapos ito, wala na. Baksak na. We're gonna ride the bus.
Go, bus!
Go, 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 go! Uy!
Wow! It's a different mountain! Ayan siya guys, oh. Tignan mo. Amaze na amaze siya. Wow! Is this Philippines? No, right? It's different. Look at the road, oh. See? The road is different. Guys, parang inaantok siya. Are you sleepy? Do you want to go to cable car or you want to sleep? Cable car. Siyempre, yun ang pinunta natin dito eh. No?
Isa sa bucket list ni Nisha ang
Cable car.
cable car.
Ewan namin gusto niya nakikita, no?
Eh, wala namang cable car sa Pilipinas. So, kailangan travel talaga abroad. So, we don't have choice. Ganda ng view.
Wow, it's a nice place. You like it, Nisha? Ano mo? Ano, iba yung 7-Eleven, no?
Oo.
7-Eleven is different. It's a mini 7-Eleven.
Hindi pwedeng mawala sa kanya ang 7-Eleven. Oh, you want something? What do you want po? Cable car!
So, dito tayo ngayon sa cable car, guys.
Arthur.
Oh, crystal. Ay, natakot ako sa heights eh. Uy, 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 uy. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa cable car. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah, sure, sure.
Cheese! 3, 2, 1. Hi, baby!
Natakot si 30!
We're going to cable car na.
We're here at cable car!
Okay. Hala, di siya, babe. Diyos ko po, di ko kaya, babe. Gagi, di ko kaya.
Yay! Daddy! Si nanay may kasama natin at si Ate Jersey!
Wow! Conquer your fear!
You okay, baby?
Naka-play, hindi naka-play. Happy birthday, Nisha! Happy birthday, Nisha! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nisha! Yay! Oh, may gogi tatawid dun! Ayun o! Now we're gonna go there! Oh no!
Hindi ako makagalaw!
Ako rin eh! Extreme pala tong cable car na to, gagi. Gagi, ang taas, babe!
Are you happy?
Are you happy? Is this what you like, diba? You've been asking for this for a long time na.
Yeah, how many years na? Cable car!
Cable car!
Mom, cable car!
Gagi, yung takas pa rin, oh.
Ba't mo sila kinakain? Huwag mo kainin yung viewers. Okay lang, tarayan mo. Huwag mong kainin. Hindi sila pagkain.
Birthday girl.
We're done. Where are we going to?
And we're going to ride what? A train. Going to Disneyland. So this is our day 2. Hindi na ako nakapag-update kagabi. And ayun, punta kami ngayon ng Disneyland because it's Nisha's birthday. This is your birthday celebration. We're going to Big Castle.
Birthday girl. Wow, sexy, oh.
Wow!
Paano yung birthday? Pretty. Ayan, binalikan niya talaga yung
Iniyakan niya kagabi.
iniyakan niya. Dito siya umiyak kagabi, oh. Diyan, dahil sa candy.
May babawi ako.
Pasalamat ka at birthday mo. Huh? Mama nga to, oh. Nakasalamin lang si mama.
So guys, ayan si Mami. Mami. So,
Saan mo na kami dinala?
tuntua nga yung anak mo sa train eh. Oh, see? Wow. Ayun na, they're waiting na sa Disney train, no? Happy birthday, Ate. Everybody sing.
Happy birthday. First time ko lang makapasok ng Disney. Hindi ako nag-Disney, nuhod ko para kay Nisha.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
Ako nag-Disney na.
Oo, selfish ka eh.
Libre yun eh, kaya ako na ano eh.
Selfish ka kasi.
Ayun na, dito na tayo. Lakas daw niya, oh.
Ginagawa
O, ikaw kay Nisha. Dali, mataas to.
Talagang ikaw kay Nisha.
Kala ko.
Ako talaga kay Nisha. Yay, nasa Disneyland na tayo.
I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I'd had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news.
Wow, a giant castle.
Wow! A castle!
I'm in.
Yay!
Wow! That's a big castle.
Hey, happy birthday, ate!
I'm in Paris.
Like this! Put your hands up! Yay! May
Peace!
smile!
Our peace!
Again, peace!
Peace!
I'm losing sleep, 'cause I'm obsessed. Feels like this case could be my death. I need a hint, I need a clue, 'cause all I have is you. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. I'm in.
This one?
Yes. And I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you.
Wow! Happy birthday, girl! Oh, we're going to Frozen!
Frozen, yeah!
Yes, first stop is Frozen. Come on, let's go to Frozen na. Whoa! Oh, you hold it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, ito si Olaf. Who is this?
Who is this?
Who is this?
Look.
Your friend.
Olaf. Oh, let's take a picture with
Let's take a
Olaf.
picture na with Olaf.
Yay! You kiss mama.
I love you, anak. Happy
I
birthday.
love you. Happy birthday. Mwah. Nisha, may say hi!
Say hi!
Sabi ni Nisha, sino yun?
Sabi niya, costume lang yan.
YouTube sa Disney.
Ay, gumanon pa. Umisa ka pa? Wow!
Inline.
Pakyat, uy! Uy! Pakyat! Ay!
Cute
Uy!
na!
Cute nga ni! Uy!
Si Darlie, tigil siya sa iyak niya eh, oh.
Wow!
Tignan mo tong isa. Are you okay? Brave boy. Tapos na.
Tapos na. Second
Roller
ride.
coaster. Roller coaster.
Wow!
Sabay all tight.
All tight, all tight. All tight.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar.
Yay! Alright, you want to ride another one? Yay! No, we're gonna go to other ride. More nakaganon nga siya.
Taray ni 30 Disneyland. Ganda.
Wow! Sabi niya boring, tinulugan oh. So guys, dito na kami sa aming pangilan na to.
Pangapat.
Pang-apat na ride.
Simula 9 a.m. hanggang 2 p.m. Pang-apat pa lang to.
Yeah.
And now the first question, are you guys ready?
Pero si 30 kasi nakatigil. Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Ang content natin ngayon, susundan natin yung may birthday. So, lahat ng gusto niya ngayon, susundan natin. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, Isha, is that okay?
Yeah.
Everything you want, we're gonna follow, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going?
Here on the
Here?
street.
Straight?
Straight?
Straight.
Hindi pa rin ang araw dito.
What?
Where? Straight?
Yeah.
Guys, pangatlong punta niya na rito.
Ito lang ata favorite ni siya dito eh. Frozen, Ever After.
Isha. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin.
Dad, kinakausap niya yung balon kanina. Sabi, ha? Ha?
Galit?
Bili mo ako balon. 30 balon? You want? Oh, gusto niya natawa.
Oh, here.
Balon, Mickey? Mickey!
Wow.
Mickey! Mickey! Mickey!
Oh, put it
Sabi
here.
sa'yo eh.
Aray ko. Yun pala, babe. Okay, so bumili pa tayo lopo. Aray ko.
so magical. How life can be. We can be anything in our own fantasy. Pirates on the sea, and kings and queens. Everyone's here to see what we've been creating. I hear my cue, and now it's time to show them what we can.
Meanwhile... Yay!
Inantok. Yay!
Nakakahilo.
You like it? Good job! Happy?
Wow!
Birthday! I love you. Kiss mama and daddy.
How about me? Wow!
Birthday! Let's go!
Ginagawa mo!
Put your hand at the back.
Iron Man! Ninja yan eh! Hindi naman yun si Iron Man. Ganyan si Iron Man eh!
Binago na!
Ginagawa mo!
Waliw!
Ganyan yung ready oh! Ninja oh!
Or do that!
Tony boy!
Guys, it's moving!
Meanwhile...
Sulit na sulit ang Disney ah.
Yeah.
Walang kapaguran ah.
This is the Toy Story Land.
Ang ganda ng Disney! So, ito na yung last na agenda namin for today's video dito sa Disneyland. Pero, hindi namin kaya. Kasi dalawang bata kami at the same time. Tignan nyo yung kung gaano kadaming tao. Ang lala, parang hindi kami makahinga. Sobrang daming tao dito ngayon sa Hong Kong Disneyland. And sabi ko, mauna na kami sa pinakadulo, okay lang. Pero kasi first time namin, so nakakalungkot. Pero wala kaming choice. Kasi may dalawa kaming bata, so kailangan namin sa medyo maluwag. Hindi kami pwede magpagsiksikan.
Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on the way. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong, away. It looks like we made it. It looks like oh, it looks like we made it.
Nagreklamo siya, maliit daw yung stroller. Eh, hindi naman yun kay Nisha eh. Kay 30 yung stroller na yun.
Bam! Dito na tayo. Ikaw in the camera ka. Ba't kasi yung pakaway niya naibit? Ba't kasi diyan ka umahawak, Chi? Ba't kasi doon ka nakahawak? Masaraduhan yun. Naibit-bit na lakon, hindi yung kamay na.
Totoo ba?
Oo. Naiwan.
Masakit yun, babe.
Nurse, ano nangyari sa'yo? Hospital? Where are we going, guys?
We're going to?
Ocean Party! Yay! Yes, starting today, Nisha is 7 na. This is your first day as 7 years old.
Because you're bigger na. Are you a
Yeah.
baby? Ha?
So, Nisha will not wear headphones anymore because Nisha is a bigger already, okay? Yeah.
For today's video, this is our day 3.
at Hong Kong. Pero, tanghali na tayo lumabas kasi pagod na pagod kami kagabi.
Ilang oras tayo? Nasa...
13 hours, almost 13 hours tayo, di ba? So, ngayon
Oo.
punta tayo ng Ocean Park dahil ayan ang mga gusto ni Nisha. So, we're here at Ocean Park! Yes! We made it! Akala namin tatagos na kami sa pader kagabi. So, halika na. What
What is
animal
this?
is this? It's a meerkat.
Meerkat. You want to see it?
Which one do you want? Giant panda, baby panda, or meerkat? You want to go to meerkat? Alright, we're
okay,
going
meerkat.
to meerkat first.
Meerkat daw, meerkat.
Si Terdy, kawawa naman, ang init.
Guys, ganito dapat kami yesterday. Oh. Ganito ka-chill. Ito lang yung dala. Si Mami gusto niya bags.
Hindi agawa mo.
Makikinig ka sa mga tamad. Kasi yung mga tamad nakakaisip ng mga paraan na ganito.
Oo na, tama ka na. Ikaw na tama.
Sarap dito, guys. Di ba?
Yung panda!
Oh!
Ayun yung panda.
Panda
Panda sleeping. Terdy, yung panda.
Tignan niyo naman
Look
yung
mo siya.
panda.
Ayun o, sleeping yung panda.
Tulog.
Ayun yung panda natin, oh, sleeping.
Look at the panda.
Is that your baby? There's no sleeping panda here. Here, oh, sleeping panda, but it's pink. It's supposed to be white. Here, oh, cute, oh. Bag. Ganda ng cable car, oh. Kaso nauga daw. Nisha, let's go to baby panda. Look at the alligator. The alligator is sleeping. Fish! Fish yun, fish? It's a red panda. One, two, three, smile. What animal is that? Ito?
Otter.
Okay.
Otter nga.
Let's go.
Galing mo talaga, anak.
They are all sleeping. That's why we cannot see them.
So guys, nakain na tayo. Nakain na, ayan na sila. Ayan, si 30 pumufood trip din, no? Babe, pakaw yan. Okay, first time namin makakain ng masarap dito sa Hong Kong. Guys, ang sarap niya, promise. Panalo. Sa mga nag-Hong Kong dyan, alam niyo mahirap manap ng masarap na kainan dito. So dito sa kami sa Ocean Park, ang sarap.
Ayun o. Sarap. Siya o.
So many meerkat.
Look, Nisha, it's a giant turtle. You go inside. Wow. You say smile. Oh no. Mama. Nisha, wait for me! Mapapagapang ka pa dito. Bakit ba ako naka-jacket? Ang init. Nisha, I'm here!
No, big one. No, big
Yes, big one. I'm a baby. Oh, ang hirap maging magulang. Go, 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 go. Wee. Oh, come here. You stand up. Ay, Diyos ko po. Yung kayuma namin. Buto na lang active ang mga magulang mo. That is gonna catch us. Go, 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 go. Go! Pumunta ng Ocean Park para maglaro sa playground. The best. Wala siyang pakialam sa mga attraction. Gusto niya yung playground. Okay, anak. Ang mahal ng ticket natin.
What is that? Okay, bus ka ngayon sa Ocean Park. Yay! Nagagawa sa'yo ng magulang mo, bata. Oh! Wow! We're under the water na. Look outside di siya, oh. Wow! Ayun na.
Wow, a giant starfish. Look, ayun o. Ayun! Yung turtle, oh. Oh. Wow! Ayun, stingray, oh. See? Oh! Giant crab! Ang sarap magmukbang. Wow! Ayun! Ate mo, it's a giant stingray. See? Ang lalaki. Parang busog na busog sila dito. No?
Yung shark ko. What's that, Misha? Shark. Shark, may baby shark ko.
Wow! Ayan niya, oh. May baby shark, may brother shark, may daddy shark. Oh. Nisha, where's grandpa shark? Baby shark! What shark is that? That one, oh.
Sword shark.
Yeah!
Wow, ang galing.
Galing ah. Uh-oh.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Tama siya eh.
Oh! 2! 3! Yay! Ready? Set, go!
Nope.
Good job! High five! Good job!
Yeah.
Yay! At least daw nakuha yung mic, pero yung tumbler na iniwan niya dun sa basketball, hindi niya nakuha. Tapos naninisi pa siya kung sino nakawala ng tumbler niya. Ha? Yung mic na winala mo, nakita. Pero yung winala ng tatay mong tumbler, hindi nakita. Mahal namin sila! Pagod na lahat. Uwian na! Bye guys! Bukas na. Last day na namin bukas. Update na kayo tomorrow.
So guys, dito tayo sa ramen.
Buti walang pila.
Oo nga
Sakto kasama ang mga bata.
So, dito tayo na naman sa Ichiran. Hindi pa pwedeng hindi kakain ng Ichiran.
Ipakita nyo ako na pinapanood yung batang yan.
Pinapanood eh. Ano yan? Ayun! Favorite.
Ano akala nyo, Miss Rachel? Oh, yun na. Ready ka na umuwi? Ready na? Ready na? Uwi na tayo? Uwi na, mangunguna pa. Our last day, punta lang kami ng Mongkok Street. Tapos after nun, magdodongki lang kami. Yeah, we're going there. Just wait po. Philippines or Hong Kong?
Don Quixote! Tuwan-tuwa ang bata, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Misha May, this is where we buy everything.
Yeah. Yeah, we always go here. Oh, you choose wisely, ha? Not everything you want, you will get.
Don Quixote.
Yeah, it's a cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, let's go. Oh, that's enough na. Donkey. Go, anak. Yeah, mommy loves you so much. Go. Get what you want. Ang saya kapag kasama si Nisha sa donkey.
Excuse me po.
Did you have fun, Misha? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yay!
Dito na namin tinatapos ng vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye, guys.